How to use Wayfair promo codes online. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Wayfair promo code. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. On the web browser, go to the search bar on the top and search for Wayfair promo code. Now on the result page at the top, you should see AI overview. You can look through the overview to get promo codes, or you can even cancel it and look at websites. On the result page, you will see different kind of websites. I'm just gonna click on the first one. On the website, if you scroll down, then you will see different kind of promo codes with different offers. Click on the promo code that you would like to use. After that, you can simply copy the code and paste it on the official website, or select redeem at Wayfair. Now it will direct you to the Wayfair official website. On the website, if you scroll down, you will see different kind of products. Add products that you want to purchase to your cart. Now proceed to checkout. On the checkout interface, you should see an option called promo codes. Paste your promo code and click on apply to apply the discount. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.